That really means a lot to me.
It really means a lot to me that you're here.
Listen, this isn't funny, mate. That pipe means a lot to me.
I hope you're still coming tomorrow. It would mean a lot to me.
I need my vase fixed. It means a lot to me.
Please be careful. That ruby means a lot to me.
This means a lot to me. This means a lot to all of us.
If anything, you're more qualified than us younger guys.
Means a lot to me.
I know it won't mean much to you, but it'll mean a lot to me that you have it.
You're really smart.
Thanks, Candy. That means a lot to me.
Being around family would mean a lot to me.
Great.
It mean a lot. It meant a lot to me, too.
You said you love me, right? I'm serious. That shit means a lot to me, you know?
Your friendship means a lot to me. I miss seeing you. I know.
I always knew you were gonna make it. I'm so proud of you.
Thanks. That means a lot to me.
The last time I saw your mother, she said she never wanted to see me again.
That was years ago. Please. It would mean a lot to me.
I really am happy for you. Go live your life. I wish you well.
Thank you. That means a lot to me.
It would mean a lot to me if we could talk.
Are you still seeing my daughter? Yes, then I have nothing to say to you.
Now, you gotta promise to take good care of these guys. They mean a lot to me.